Hello, this video is going to go over how to create a team room inside of Blackboard Collaborate. Just to explain how groups work inside of Canvas, you'll be creating them under the People tab. So in order to make teams, you're going to be turning to this area to create those teams. Once they are created, each student will receive access to their group private homepage that gets made for them inside of Canvas automatically. So that can be found under the Groups tab on the left-hand side. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on one of my team rooms. You can go ahead and see that on the left-hand side, these are the functions that the students have access to. And they have access to conferences, which is actually called Big Blue Button. That is the vendor that is supplying this conferencing service. And students can go ahead and just click on Add Conference, create a recording of their presentation. Now, Big Blue Button does not save recordings for more than 2 weeks, and also, as I mentioned, these are private pages, so only those students that have access to this group page can see that recording. So instructors usually ask, well, I want to create a team room where students can record their presentations and it can be viewed by other students. Now that's what I'm going to go over in this session. So let me just navigate back to my course. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on Blackboard Collaborate. And just like when you create a session for the entire course, you're going to go ahead and click on Create Session. And what I always recommend is to just use the team names that you had set up for the course. So let's say if you have Team A, Team B, then you would do the same thing. So I'm just going to call this Team A Virtual Meeting Room. And the difference between when you create a session for your course versus for the students is you're going to have to select the Options tab and you're going to have to select Everyone is a Moderator. That will give them access to do everything from loading content to recording. All you have to do is just click Create Session and you've automatically created a room that can be accessed by students. Now as you can see, the room cannot be assigned. So I cannot assign this room only for those students that are in Team A. However, when the students are in the session live, they will be able to see who is with them. So that is something that if they see anyone who joins who is not a part of their team, they would just ask them to leave. However, that is very rare. But either way, students will go to their specified team room and they will set up a meeting and record the session in order for others to see it. So once they start and stop the recording, the process is the same. All that they would do to see their recording is just select the Recordings tab, and then it will have the name of the room, so you'll just see Team A Virtual Meeting Room and then the date. So all of the students can join in this spot to see each other's presentations, and there is also a way to take these recordings and move them as links into the modules area, and that demo can be seen in our recordings tutorial within the knowledge base. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching.